Trying to set up your Qubo camera, but it refuses to connect to your wireless network? Connectivity issues can occur after changing your router settings, updating passwords, or experiencing temporary network interruptions. Fortunately, most Wi Fi problems with smart cameras are easy to resolve and do not require replacing the device. In many situations, a Kubo camera not connecting to Wi Fi issue can be fixed with a few basic troubleshooting methods. Before assuming the camera is defective or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore the connection. Restart the Kubo camera and reboot your Wi Fi router to refresh the network connection. 2. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi Fi network used for camera setup. 3. Verify that the Wi Fi password entered in the Kubo app is correct. 4. Move the camera closer to the router to ensure a stronger signal during pairing. 5. Complete the setup process again and confirm that the camera appears online in the app.